Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're underneath the magnolia tree again, and this is hive number 69. And it's been about 10 days since we've been in here. And it's got a yellow queen, eggs, brood, stores. It only has 4 frames. We're going to see if they need another frame today. Let's see. I'm right in front of this other hive just about, so we're going to get over here. Put that down. And the little barbers somehow or another gets up here and can't get back down. They get trapped. And they look like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 15 dead ones. There they are up there. We might not use that next time. Take the feeder ring off. There they are on that. Hey girl, take their feeder off. They have no food and I don't see any bugs. No bugs. Okay. Take their water dish off. 1 bug. Trying to hide. No bugs, just that 1 bug. Went over to see Bob Walker this morning and Walker Bee Ranch, and his bees are doing fine, flying around, eating hearty. They were a lot friendlier today. Y'all check him out there on Walker Bee Ranch. This one here has some brood, little larvae. Here has a little brood and some larvae. So maybe I will go get them another frame today. I don't see the queen. But that's them. They got a little larvae in there and got some brood. Got some stores. Bottom looks good. Y'all always check your bottom to make sure that you don't have a bunch of beetles or maggots or wax moths or any of that stuff. And if you find it, what you need to do is completely change the box. If you got a bunch of beetles in there on your frames, you need to change the frames. Come on. We got brood. We have larvae. Little honey. Same thing on this side. We have a few eggs in there. Both sides. Same. Yeah, I think we'll be giving them a new frame. when they get built out like this, I'll give them a frame. But when you've only got 2 frames of bees, nah. You can put one in. You got 2 frames of bees, you put one in there until they build it out, and put you another one in there until they build it out. This one here has brood and larvae. There's probably some eggs in there somewhere that I can't see. Has some nectar, has some honey. We don't care about seeing the queen now because we saw what we needed. That's brood, both sides. What we need to be doing, I guess, see now we're going to put another frame in there, is cut some of this propolis off the edges here, so the frames don't fit so tight together. And we can take them apart next time. This is the propolis on the edges here. There we go. Right, look again for the queen. No queen. If I told y'all today that my bees are very gentle bees, I mean, day's not over with yet, but they appear to be real calm. Let's see what we got over on this one. Brood, we have stores, we have honey, we have larvae, we have nectar, and there's the yellow queen. People have said they won't get on the outside frame. You see that one, don't you? Bless her little pretty heart. She's in there laying eggs. Bottom clean. Okay, she needs another frame. So we have to go find her one. We're not going to put y'all through that unless y'all want to be put through it. And if you do, let me know. Next time we'll do it. Put them all back in here just like they were. We're going to get a frame and put right in there. They had 2 beetles. So we'll put them some peppermint in there too when we come back. And like I say, we're not going to put this back on until I fill the hole. We have a hole in the screen. There's a little jumper there, it's a little baby. There you go. There's a hole in the screen right here, and the bees can get out, but they can't get back in. So we'll fix that. And this is hive number 69. This queen was marked on 7/28, and she was hatched on 7/13. So she's doing pretty good to be a young queen. She got everything worked out. She came back mated, so she's doing good. Well, y'all have a great day, great rest of the week. Be careful out there. Talk to you next week. Don't need to lose no subscribers. Oh yeah, subscribe. If you're watching this for the first time or the second time or whenever, make sure you subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, share, and a comment. Comments are good. See something that you need to ask a question about, go ahead and ask me. And if you want to ask a question about something else, you can ask me about that too. We'll get you an answer. Y'all have a great day, and this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees.